Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the data so sheets can read it cleanly. Make sure you have labels in the top row and numbers beneath. This lets sheets auto-assign axes. Once done, click and drag to select the contiguous range, including headers. You do this now because charts reflect the exact cells you choose. Incorrect selection causes mislabeled axes or missing series. If your data updates later, keep the selection intact or use named ranges so your graph updates automatically. After selecting data, insert a chart and open the chart editor. You choose a chart type based on the message: line for trends, column for comparisons, pie for parts of a whole. Then map the x-axis and series explicitly in the setup panel so values align. This prevents swapped axes. Once configured, use the Customize tab to adjust colors, legends, grid lines, and axis labels. Changing these clarifies interpretation and improves visual hierarchy for your audience. Finish by positioning and sizing the chart for clarity. You can move it into the sheet or a separate chart sheet. Make sure Sheets uses row 1 as headers or switch to a named range so updates propagate automatically. If the chart looks wrong, check common issues. Mix text in numeric columns, hidden blank rows, or an incorrect range. If values still misplot, reselect the range and reassign axes in setup. This fixes swapped series or missing data quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.